Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok step by step. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three lines at the top right of your profile page to open the settings menu and select the last option. Now, go to Privacy, which is the second option with a small lock icon. Scroll all the way down until you find Blocked Accounts. Tap on it, and you will see the list of all the users you have blocked on TikTok. To unblock someone, simply tap the unblock button next to their name, and that account will be unblocked immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to unblock someone on TikTok.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.